Hey, my name's Kolby Carlile. I'm the 2017 American Flat Track Singles Champion. I've been running Rekluse clutches since 2017. We started off last year at Daytona, put one in, and podium first race out. I didn't even ride a motorcycle till I was like 10 years old, and then I started out immediately with flat track at 11, and I've been racing professional since I was 16, and now I'm a champion at 20, 21 years old, so it's awesome. It's kind of hard to explain how good it is, but one day I can explain it best this way. One day I had to go out on a brand new stock bike, and I rode that, and I was just terrible, and I couldn't figure out why. And then I went home that night, put in my Rekluse RadiusCX clutch, and came back the next day, and I was at least half a second faster. So I was like, wow, the clutch makes that big of a difference, and I didn't even notice it when I started using it, but now I can't ride without one. And then just having the ability on the TTs, not having to worry about having your two fingers on the clutch and whatnot to avoid the stalls and everything else, it takes that one piece out of the puzzle and you can focus better on winning.